Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our little corner of positivity and empowerment. It's your mentor here, and today, we're diving deep into some hygiene essentials. These are the little things that make a big difference in our everyday lives. So, grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's embark on this journey to radiance. Change your toothbrush every 3 months. The smile makeover. We're kicking off with a tip that can literally brighten your day. Change your toothbrush every 3 months. Your smile is your superpower, and maintaining oral hygiene is key. Swapping out your toothbrush regularly ensures effective cleaning and keeps your pearly whites sparkling. So, let's make that smile shine, shall we? Don't use soap down there. Intimate care wisdom. Now, let's talk about something often overlooked but incredibly important. Intimate care. Ladies, please remember, your delicate areas have their own delicate needs. Skip the soap down there. It can disrupt the natural balance. Opt for a gentle, pH-balanced wash designed for your intimate area. It's a small step for immense comfort and well-being. Shower every day, cause bacteria feed on sweat. Daily rituals for radiance. Moving on to a daily ritual that not only refreshes but also keeps those unwanted guests at bay. Showering every day. Bacteria love to feast on sweat, so let's not give them a buffet. A daily shower is your secret weapon for feeling clean, fresh, and ready to conquer the world. Embrace the shower power. Don't drink water. Right after waking up, it can push bacteria back. Morning hydration hacks. Here's a morning ritual tweak that can make a huge difference. Avoid drinking water right after waking up. Why? Because it can push bacteria back into your system. Instead, give your body a gentle wake up, wait a bit, and then hydrate. Your system will thank you, and your mornings will be off to a smoother start. Wash your hands. Hand Hygiene 101. Now, let's talk about a habit we've all been reminded of recently. Washing our hands. It's a simple act with profound effects. Proper hand hygiene not only protects you, but those around you. So, sing your favorite tune while lathering up. Cleanliness is truly next to godliness. Clean your phone screen with alcohol pads. Tech meets cleanliness. Finally, let's not forget a daily companion that deserves a little TLC. Our phones. Our screens are like mirrors, reflecting our daily lives. Clean them with alcohol pads regularly to keep things crystal clear. A clean phone is a happy phone, and a happy phone is a happy you. Alright, radiant souls, that concludes our hygiene journey for today. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more empowering content. Remember, the little things we do for ourselves every day add up to a lifetime of confidence. Until next time, keep glowing, keep growing, and always embrace the beautiful soul that you are. Catch you in the next one.